Hi guys, Patrick here. Today I want to show you how to remove objects from your photos to make them look better, or if you have any people in them, to just remove them. This whole process will only take a couple of seconds and the results we're going for is pretty astonishing. So for this purpose, we're gonna open Photoshop with the pictures we want to edit. I'm using the latest Photoshop version, as you probably should too. All right, so this is the picture and I want to remove this object because it's a little bit distracting from the alley and the trees. So first I want to go to the lasso tool and I want to use the polygon. So for this, I just make a selection to the object surrounding. I just want to be pretty close to the object itself, but the results may vary from this. So that's actually the object I want to remove. And for this, I go to the edit pane, go to fill, and make sure that in this contents box, the content aware feature is selected. Opacity 100%, mode normal, and color adaptation is also selected. And then you hit OK, just wait, and boom, the object is gone. I mean, look at this. The object is gone. If I hit save, hit OK, close this picture, open it in the Finder, the object is gone. And it's pretty amazing, right? So that was everything you have to do. Of course, if you got some fragments in the photo, you can redo this project a couple of times, so it smoothens everything out. Like if I just want to do it again, there is also a keyboard stroke which is Shift 5. Okay, it scans and you see it's done again, the whole process, and the object is removed. And if you don't tell somebody that there was an object, they won't even recognize or notice anything about it. And that's the tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. If you do have any questions about this, please ask them in the comments below, and see you guys in the next one. Bye.